Reverend John Kamanzi. We are down here in Uganda with Richard and his wife Lola. I can't explain what a blessing this couple has been to us, most especially repairing our marriages. Most of the marriages here are run by cultures, and we have different cultures. So most of the people, they grew up in abusive homes. Fathers were beating their wives, beating their children, and there was no relationship between children and wives. But after this biblical teaching and sharing the experience Rich has with his wife, we have seen a tremendous faces change and people asking right questions. What do I need to do in order to change? I can quote one young man, Brad, who said, I want my family to be like that one of Richard. And so those kind of things have been happening here. And we are seeing a new day within the married couples. Most of them have been experiencing a lot of hurt and pain because of what is going through in their homes. But after this teaching, men understanding their role and their responsibility according to God's plan of marriage, and women also understanding their role and responsibility at home. We are believing God that this has brought a great change amongst our families, and I know that the future is brighter for our families. Thank you very much, Richard, and all the people behind who have supported and praying for them for their mission here. God bless you all.